Hello friends, today I thought I should make a video on the importance of wet or late dry sublimation paper. These are high ink release papers and can transfer generous amount of sublimation inks onto the substrate you want to sublimate. It can be t-shirt, cushions, puzzles or any surface that has high polyester count. I'll be doing 2 t-shirts for you. You can judge the results for yourself. You can clearly see that a lot of ink has been transferred to the t-shirts, which results in dark and vibrant colors, which is what we seek every time we sublimate. A good quality transfer without any fade marks. So now I will place the transfers one by one and you can check and judge the results for yourself. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.